Hey, welcome to the Rolling Acres BBQ Pit Boys Cheshire Cat Pit. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing some spare ribs. We're going to be doing them party style. So I'm going to chop all these up. I'm going to do like an overnight brine. And with that, I'm going to be using some BBQ Pit Boys maple. And what I've done is I've taken some brown sugar and some of this bourbon whiskey, and I put it in the dehydrator for probably about four hours at 165 degrees. Basically, you want to dehydrate all the liquid out of it and then mix it with your rub. I mean, this rub already has some brown sugar in it, so we're kind of going with a sweet profile. So basically, I'm going to take some of this brown sugar rub. We're going to save some for the end. We're going to mix maple rub in there. This stuff is really good. I like this stuff. So mix this up. Let it sit for a little bit. I'm going to take a little hickory. We're going to just clean this up just a little bit. There's a lot of this fat we don't need, so I'm going to cut it off. Trim it up. Not a lot. Probably square this up a little bit. This doesn't look so good. Alright. Square up this end. A lot of this stuff we probably don't want. Alright. Now I'm going to follow these bones. I'm going to cut right here. Pretty easy stuff. Maybe I'll take some of this off. That's fine. We'll leave it. Alright. Alright, so now take a bag. I'll put these ribs in here. Take this rub, pour it in. Gotta seal it up for now. Mix this around. Alright, we're going to be putting more on before they get on the smoker. I'm going to put some more rub on it, but this is good enough for an overnight brine. Thank you. Okay. Ribs have been sitting out, getting room temperature. Time to put them on the smoker. I'm noticing that it's really hot here, not as hot over here, so I'm going to do it somewhere in the middle. Today I'm using a mix of pecan and cherry. A mix of pecan and cherry. Alright, we'll come back and check on them in a little bit. Okay, we got the ribs on. Now it's time to prep the other stuff. So last week we made a rhubarb cranberry barbecue sauce. It's right here. I'm going to add a little more ketchup to it to thin it out, and a little bit of heat. So we're going to put a little bit of this chipotle habanero in there. Mix it up. set that. So you guys have seen me do this before. I'm going to take SPG, some beef tallow. This came from a brisket I did a little while ago. We took the fat and rendering and we made some beef tallow out of it. So same thing. Right here, some SPG. I'm going to wrap them up. Not too tight. Leave a little bit of the top open. Again. Last time I poked some holes in them. These are going to be on for a little bit longer, so I'm not going to poke holes in them. I'm just going to let them do like they do. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, we're about an hour in. Pretty good. Barbecue sauce is coming along pretty well. These are the pieces that I cut off. I make it a little Scooby snack. But yeah, coming along pretty good. Okay, we're 2 hours in. I'm gonna start basting these. Yes, it's a new baste towel. Mop. So we're going to hit them real quick. And then I'm going to flip them over. I think it'd be easier to use my hands. All right. So these ribs are in good shape. They've been going for 4 hours. We're going to take them now and we're going to wrap them in bacon. This I'm going to try anyways.
A little messy.
I guess I know why this bacon was so cheap. Kind of acting like this is my first time ever doing this. Alright. Do that. Now I'm going to take some of my rub that I made last night. Put some on there. This is the brown sugar bourbon maple rub. Alright, I'm going to put them back on the smoker. I'll put them All right, we'll be back in another hour. So here's the finished product.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.